TubeBuddy has done it again. In this video, I'm going to show you the newest feature in TubeBuddy. YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is now monetizable. So now you can monetize your YouTube Shorts. You can drive traffic. There's a lot of traffic in YouTube Shorts. And now I'm going to teach you in this video how to get more traffic to your longer videos using your Shorts with this new tool from TubeBuddy. And you can get TubeBuddy by clicking the link down in the description. Best tool for YouTubers. Now let's go inside. Okay, here we are in your YouTube studio. Okay, YouTube studio. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to content over here on the left. Go to content, and you're going to pick your latest video. Okay, I'm going to drop down because this is the one that I'm working on. I'm changing the title and the thumbnail on this one. So when I want to promote it, I'm going to use a short. So pull up in here to the video details. Now over here on the right, TubeBuddy. If you have TubeBuddy and you have a paid subscription to TubeBuddy, you click that. Over here, suggested shorts. Click that. Let me move out of the way here. And they're scanning the video. They're going through all of that good stuff. Now, this video, they're saying the best short at 76.41% retention rate at this point, from 5 minutes and 3 seconds to 5 minutes and 18 seconds. So now what I'm going to do is, I wish there was a way I could click this and just clip that out. Maybe that's in the future. But for now, we're going to shoot over to WeVideo. That's what I use. You use any video editor. Okay, so you're going to come down here. You're going to go to your, of course, your vertical. Now this is the video here. Now I don't have to sort through it. I don't have to go crazy. I just have to go over to the 5 minute mark. There's the 5 minute mark. So it was 5:03, 5:01, 5:03. And they're saying 5:03 to what time? To 5:18. 5:18. So now I'm going to clip this here, split that there, right? And then we're going to go to 5:18. I'm going to cut it there. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to delete the other side. So there's your YouTube short. So you're going to upload that to YouTube, and in the description you're going to put the URL for this video, the longer video, so that the short is going to be, that's the most important part of the short, the most exciting part of the short. You're going to get their attention, and that's going to drive traffic to your other short, to your longer video. Go ahead and get the TubeBuddy. I got the link down in the description for TubeBuddy. Everybody should have TubeBuddy. If you don't have TubeBuddy, get it now. Seriously. Excellent. It's the best tool for YouTubers. Okay, there you go. Hey, okay, so that kind of blew me away when I found out about it. Very simple. Now I don't have to sort through hours and hours of videos, my live streams, all of that stuff. It's automatically going to come up the best part of the video to do your shorts. Come on, give it a try. Leave a comment down in the comment section. What do you think? So, of course, like and subscribe, do all that. The next video that's popping up on the screen, YouTube thinks is the best video for you to watch next. So take advantage of YouTube's algorithm and give that a click and watch.